Hi everyone, I am Gautam, I am physics faculty. Now here you can observe a question from 12th class logic gates. So it is NEET 2019 question, So what is that question here? The circuit diagram shown there corresponds to the logic gate. They have given one circuit diagram here. So the circuit diagram belongs to what logic gate? That is the question. First option AND gate, second option NOR gate, third option AND gate, fourth option OR gate. Like that, four options are there. How to identify the gate? By observing the circuit diagram, we have to analyze now. For this point, you have to know the basic information that whenever circuit is open, suppose a circuit is open, current does not flow, circuit open means current does not flow. You have to know this information. Whenever circuit is open, current does not flow. So only in closed circuits current will flow. So this is the basic information to be noted now. Let us see the phenomena. Now in our question, first let us take here, that is if you observe carefully what happened, they told a circuit diagram shown corresponding logic gate they are asking, and here there are two places A and B. You can observe they are open, at A it is open, B is open, both are open. So what do you mean by open and what do you mean by closed? We will see those things now. First, for this to understand, we need to take the truth table, that is I am drawing now. Here for any circuit, the logical circuits if you are taking, there we will be representing them with the information of truth table like this. This is A and this is B and this is some output. This is output. Let me write C. C is nothing but here output. Input generally will take 0, 0 and 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1, like that we will be taking the inputs. Generally the inputs for truth table means 0, 0, A0, B0 and A0, B1 and A1, B0, A1, B1. Okay, what is a 0 and 1? 0 is taken as low input and it is in the state of off. If it is in the state of off, and 1 indicates it is high input and is in a state of on off switch. That means 0 means off, 1 means on. We can take like that. Simple things we are discussing related to this one. So let us see the diagram now. Here in this diagram, first what happened beta? Here A is open, B is open. That means our first condition. Let us take both are open, 0, 0. Both are open means current always flows from high potential to low potential. What is high potential here? Plus 6 volts. What is low potential? The symbol indicates earthing. This indicates 0 volts. So current has to flow through the LED bulb. Then only the bulb will glow. So the bulb glows if only the current flows through the bulb. Now the question is, in what situations current will flow through the LED bulb and will get the output here. I have taken C as output, they wrote Y as output. Okay, fine, anything, no problem. Here plus 6 volts, high potential. This is the 0 volts. Earthing indicates 0 volts. Low potential plus 6 volts, high potential, 0 volts, low potential. Now current is always directed from high potential to low potential. So current is coming from 0 plus 6 volts here, and it has two paths. One path like that, but it is open. In open circuit cannot enter. Current cannot enter. So current cannot go in this direction. Now again here coming down, and here is also open circuit. Current cannot travel in this direction because it is open. Whenever there is open circuit is there, current cannot enter into the direction. That means now the current is coming here. it can go down, no doubt, because path is here. But here there is no path, it is disconnected. That means it don't have path to travel. So it cannot enter here. It cannot enter here. That means it is open. Open means 0, 0. So now current is coming down. Current is now coming down. It cannot enter even in this direction. Now the current will flow through the LED bulb and reaches to this earth, reaches to the point earthing. So current is traveling through the bulb and coming here. So current is flowing through the bulb means bulb will glow. If bulb glows, it is said to be, what do you mean by bulb glow? It is nothing but we are getting the output. Output we are getting means it is 1. We are not getting output means 0. Now in the first situation, I have taken A value as 0, B value as 0. Both are 0, 0. I have taken A 0, B 0. So both are 0, 0 means what will happen? Current is flowing through this LED bulb. Current is flowing through this our LED bulb now, and we are getting the output. Why sir? Why it is flowing? Because the current which is coming here, it cannot travel like that because it is open. Current coming here, it cannot enter in this direction because it is open. Because we told that A and B value both are 0, 0. 0 means open. Open means we can't allow the current to flow through that one. We cannot allow the current to flow through that one. I hope you are clear till here. So that now when we are not allowing the current to flow through these areas, here what happened? Here current is not coming, current is not coming. So directly current is going into the bulb, and from bulb it is going to the earth. So we have to take now our output as 1. Output is 1. So when A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. I hope you are clear with this first one now. Let us see the next situation. What is the next situation? A is 0, B is 1. This is the second situation. That means A is 0 means what do you mean by A is 0 here? So A is 0 means it is open. A is 0 means open. And B is 1. That means it is closed. It is closed. So now the current can flow. Whenever it is open, current can enter into that one. Current can flow through that one. If it is closed, current can flow. A is 0, B is 1. So what happened now? From first current is coming from 6 volts. Like that it is coming down, okay. But before going to bulb, here 0 resistance is there. Here no resistance, 0 resistance. Remember, always current chooses the 0 resistance path if it is available. So I selected the 0 resistance path, and current is going in this direction to the earth, and current is not allowed to flow through the LED bulb. Current is not allowed to flow through the LED bulb. So what we can say from this information means current is not entering into this LED bulb. Directly current is going into this one and entering to the earth. So from this information now, its current is not flowing means it is 0. So we can also tell it is open. 0, this is open, and this is what on means it is the closed circuit, open circuit and closed circuit. We can give like this also the information. Next, observe next one. Next one is what? 1. And here what we have? 0. A is 1, B is 0. So A is 1, B is 0. Now what happened? A is 1, B is 0. That means here what will happen now? Automatically 1 means it is closed. Here it is 0. 0 means it is closed now. And this is in the condition of open. So current which is coming here down, like that, it is coming down here, it will because 0 means here what closed means it enters, total current will go away like this, Here open, so current cannot come down, current cannot pass through this one. So current is going directly to the earth and is not entering into the LED. Whatever the current is coming from 6 volts, that current is directly what happened, it is coming down and is not going down towards LED bulb because here 0 resistance. So current prefers 0 resistance path and the current is going in that way and finally it is reaching to the earth without coming to LED bulb, without coming to LED bulb. So here also what should I write means I have to write 0, I have to write 0. So I hope you are clear how I got this value 0, 0. Now next what should I write here? Let us observe now. Next phenomena, A and B are 1 and 1 is given. So I am taking A and B both are 1. A is 1, B is also 1 I am taking now. So A is 1, B is 1 means this is also closed. This is also closed. So the current will always prefer 0 resistance. Now also current will not come down till here. Current will not come. Current will flow off from here. And here also 0 resistance is there. So happily it chooses the ground state and it will go away to this one, and current will not flow into the LED bulb. As current is not able to flow through this LED bulb, current is not flowing through this LED bulb, what will happen beta? Now also we can write it is 0. So what is the output I got? I got 1 0 0 0. So this output belongs to what type of gate? So output belongs to until unless both are 1. That means both are until unless both are 0, until unless both are inputs are 0, until unless both inputs are 0, we are not getting 1. That means we have to both input A, input B must and should be 0 to get the output 1. So this is the condition. This condition satisfies which gate? We have so many gates we have. In that if you observe NOR gate, in NOR gate, what are the inputs if you observe? In NOR gate, input 0, 0 means first of all, let us see OR gate. Before going to NOR gate, first we will see OR gate, OR gate. OR gate means what will happen? OR 0, 0, we will get it as 0. 1, 0, you will get as 1. 0, 1, we will get as 1. And 1, 1, we will get it as again 1. So reverse to this one is NOR. Reverse to this one is, that means 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 1 will become 0, 1 will become 0. So we can decide this gate belongs to what gate? We can say it is NOR gate. This gate belongs to NOR gate. I hope you are clear. Now the answer for the given diagram is NOR gate, NOR gate. So how you came to know that is NOR gate means? By observing this truth table, I understood this gate is NOR gate. So 1 0 0 1, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0, then we can identify it as NOR gate. Like that we have to identify the gate in this question. I hope now you have understood how you got NOR gate.